Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to convert large files into zip file. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Zip files are one of the most popular ways to save disk space and send large files and folders to other computer. The process for creating a zip file or uh, folder is different depending on what device you're using. So in this video, I will show you how to convert your large files into zip file on your PC or laptop on Windows 10 or 11. It's very simple. So first of all, we have to open our uh, file manager. After that, you can just go to the files that you want to convert to zip. So here's my large file. I want to convert it to zip file. So you can just click right on the files like this. Now you can go to show more options. Now you can see there is an option send to. You can select on that and you can select on compressed zip folder. Now your files being compressed. You can just wait until it finish. It's still compressing. So here we go. So now you have compressed, you have convert your large files into zip file like this. Here's your zip file. If you check on the details, like this. So here's the one before you convert the zip file, and here's the zip file. You can check like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to compress your large files into zip file. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.